In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a recipient on Wise step by step so you can send money quickly and confidently, whether you're paying a friend, a family member, or a business. Getting the recipient set up correctly is the most important part of making a smooth transfer. First, open your web browser and go to wise.com. Make sure you're on the official Wise website and that the connection is secure. If you already have an account, log in with your usual details. If you're not logged in yet, you'll be prompted to do that before you can add a new recipient or send any money. Once you're signed in, look for the option that says Send. This is usually at the top of the page in the main menu. Go ahead and click Send. This takes you into the money transfer flow, which is where you'll be able to create and save your new recipient. On the Send screen, you'll see options related to who you want to pay. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the recipient section within Wise. This is where Wise keeps track of people or businesses you've paid before, and it's also where you'll add someone new. If you've never sent money to this person or business before, the list might be empty, and that's totally fine. Next, you'll need to enter the amount you want to send, type in how much you want the recipient to receive or how much you want to pay in your own currency, depending on what Wise is asking for by default. As you do this, Wise will typically show you the conversion rate, any fees, and the estimated arrival time. Take a moment to review those details so you know exactly what's being sent and received before you move on. Now, click the option that says Add Recipient. This tells Wise that you want to create a new payee profile instead of selecting someone you've used before. After that, confirm by clicking Add. This will open up a set of different ways you can set up your recipient. Here, Wise usually gives you several choices. You might see options like searching for an existing Wise user, adding bank details, uploading a screenshot or invoice, or paying by email. These are just different methods of identifying your recipient. For this walkthrough, we'll click on bank details, since that's one of the most common and reliable ways to add a new recipient. Once you choose bank details, Wise will ask you who your recipient is. Select the appropriate options, such as whether you're paying yourself, another person, or a business. This matters because the information required can change slightly depending on the type of recipient. After that, you'll see fields where you can enter their account details. Carefully type in the information they provided, such as their name, bank account number, and any other required identifiers for their country, like a sort code or IBAN. Double check everything before moving on. Even a small mistake in the banking information can delay the transfer or send it to the wrong account. When you've confirmed all of the details look correct, click Continue. Wise will usually give you a summary of the recipient information and the transfer itself. From here, you can proceed with the payment, and your new recipient will now be saved in Wise for any future transfers, making it much faster the next time you need to send them money.